Hey YouTube, Joe here again. Short little video today. Just getting a couple pieces for a Greenland paddle, two-piece paddle. They come in the length to fit into my lathes to spin out, so it's going to fit the ferrules to turn them into a two-piece. I'll talk again about that on another video. This video today is about a new piece of gear I just got from the wood shop. Let me see. I'm missing one thing. Hold on. There we go. So here's my old safety glasses. Those work fine for keeping me safe when working in the shop here, running the tools, but I can barely see out of them. So usually what I've been doing, excuse me again, if I have to measure a piece of wood, I got to switch to reading glasses. And then switch back to these for making the cuts. That's okay, but a pain in the butt. And then if I'm running something through the bandsaw, such as a paddle where I'm cutting out the profile lines, got it all lined out, it's kind of hard to see with these. And going like this, putting on these and then these over it, that helps, but not ideal. So I thought, well, I think it's time to get a new set of safety glasses. So I got these from Dewalt, ordered them on Amazon just a few days ago. Came in, and they are bifocals. So the upper part is just plain safety glasses. The bottom part is still safety glass, but 2.5 level reading glasses. They come in different strengths, of course, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, etc. I'll have links down below in the description box to where you can see them and check them out on Amazon, Canada and the US. Now, these are the clear lens, obviously, as you can see. They also come with a tinted gray lens, so it acts as a sunglass as well. So you can get them either way, and this way I can see what I'm doing. Looking through the upper part, I can see a little bit of if I have a line on here, but I just tilt up, look through the bottom part, and then if I can read a book with these. These were only a few dollars. I highly recommend them, and like I say, there will be links down below. So check that out, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, leave some good comments down below, and subscribe. This is on my secondary YouTube channel, the Joe O Woodshop, as opposed to my main channel, Joe O's channel. And like I said in a previous video, I'm just starting to build this one up now. We're currently just over 40 subscribers. I had like 14 when I started. I put the channel together a couple years ago, but never did anything with it, somehow at 14. Now we're up over 40, and I'd like to be up over 50 within a few days. So help me out and hit the subscribe button, and there's going to be some more videos coming up very shortly, possibly another one today on another tool I just got. I just got to shoot the footage and edit that one together as well, and that'll be up, if not today, then probably tomorrow. So thanks a lot, and check it out. I'll be back soon.